Kitaunen logoiwek ya county nebo Kericho ole kamusmusak tuyet nekatetat kiyaten factorit nebo Torora nekaba kiyoisechi directors chelelach kangoitetat tuyonoton alak en stakeholders akoesio kotestai tuyonoton. Mwae logoiwek kole kanyolu kiyoisechi directors choton kikimuch kelewen ichegen wikisiek kokosirto kobaten kaimuch koititat sirindet nebo Tegat Dickson Kirui akonam kosoman kainutik chebo directors chelelach. Kayach koboisien afisaekab police koristo niyoe koririo konyek asikosera biik cheimuch koititat tuyonoton ole kabit ngusetab kee kan kobit terchinet en kwenunywan kotinygei ak nekaesiokab kirwok kiyosechi Evans Bay nekimuch koik director noton nebo kebeberta nebo World Dyson kotinygei ak Cheruyot Clement, Nicholas Sang ak Nixon Bay kokamwa ichek kole kabatik choton chebo chai kokoesio ichek kotestai boisionoton ole kamwa kole kabit kainutik ang'wanu kityo en biik lo chekotetat kiyosechi ole kakibagacha biik oeng alaka. Chekami listit noton ko Evans Bay, John Chebochok nekikilewen koik director nebo Ainamo Zone yekin keib kesit kwa kapkirwok keistogoni inendet kotinygei ak lelutik chekinyorchi ine chebo nyerset en kiboitinik chebo Kapchain.
I'm chairman of TG16. Tumekuja hapa kusema mambo ya confirmation ya directors, lakini directors yenye na confirm ni waine. Lakini sisi kama tumekuja hapa tulipika kura kwa polling station yote yenye Evans director alishinda yote. Mbona wanasema ati kuna mambo kotini na sisi ndio tulipika kura, tulipikia mtu wetu na watu wanataka kutunyanyasa.
We stop this ceremony, this special HM unceremoniously, simply because of some of the issues that most of the farmers know. One of them is the directors that were elected in the last election was 6, and the God asked us to do away with one because of some illegalities. I don't know of chapter 6. And then thereafter, as we were preparing for this special meeting again, something again come in because of the malicious management of this factory. We have malicious members who are spearheading this activity. They want to lock out some of the directors who are elected by the serious shareholders. That is why we told them we are not going to proceed with this HGM until all the 5 directors are six directors are all taken in.
Wanataka kunyanyasa sisi Saudi. World Dyson is not represented. Hatuwezi kupali kamwe abishwe na madirectors ini na wengine na hata Evans enye tulichakua kwa kura mingi.
Hakuna kitu chochote itaendelea hapa. Hii shamba tuko, hii factory imesimamia saa hii. Evans ni World Dyson. Evans ndiye anasimamia hii zone. Kwa hivyo tunasema no Evans, no peace. Yes. No Evans, no peace. No swearing in of direct.